Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Without any elucidation and exaggeration, normal distribution is the most important and widely used distribution in the practical life. Today it is lecture number 21 of Basic Statistics course. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next videos. Question number 1 is normal distribution was firstly discovered by De Moivre is the correct option. Question number 2, normal distribution was invented by A. Laplace, B. De Moivre, C. Gauss, D. all of the above. Dear students, D is the correct option. It is invented by Laplace, Gauss and De Moivre. Question number 3, normal distribution is also known as Gaussian distribution, a very important multiple choice question. Question number 4, the equation of the normal curve is the 1 over sigma 2 pi under the root e raised to power minus 1 over 2 x minus mu over sigma whole square. This is the equation of the normal curve. Question number 5, the normal distribution is concerned with A. discrete variable, a variable which has some specified values, jumps actually, B. fixed variable, C. mixed variable, D. continuous variable. Continuous variable, D is the correct option. Question number 6, the range of the normal distribution is minus infinity to plus infinity. Question number 7, the total area under the normal curve is, that is the total area, it is always equal to 1, a very important one. Question number 8, normal distribution has parameters. It has two parameters. Its parameters are mean and variance. Question number 9, the shape of the normal curve depends upon the value of standard deviation. Dear students, the height of the normal curve is inversely proportional to the standard deviation. If the standard deviation becomes larger, then the height of the normal curve becomes smaller and the values have large variation. There is a flatter and narrower curve you have. Question number 10, for large values of standard deviation, sigma, the normal distribution, the curve tends to A. peak, B. semi-peak, C. sharp peak, D. flatten. When the standard deviation becomes high, the height becomes small and the values have larger variation, then the curve becomes flatter and narrower. D is the correct option. Question number 11, in a normal distribution, sigma is always, the value of standard deviation is always A part 1, B 0, C negative, D positive. Standard deviation is always positive. It can never be negative in the normal distribution. Question number 12, the location parameter of the normal distribution is mean. Sigma tells us about the shape of the normal curve and mean is the location parameter of the normal curve, a very important one. Question number 13, if a random variable is normally distributed, then which is the correct one? A, the random variable cannot assume negative numbers. It is incorrect because we have discussed the range is minus infinity to plus infinity. It means the random variable of the normal curve can take all the values between minus infinity to plus infinity. It can take negative values. Please keep in mind, option number B is the variance of the random variable must be greater than 1. It is also incorrect. Variance can be equal to 1. And they are asking it must be greater than 1. It is also incorrect. C option, the probability that the random variable is greater than the mean is 0.60, incorrect. D, the distribution of the random variable is defined by the mean and standard deviation. It is correct one. D is the correct option. Question number 14, which of the following is not a characteristic of the normal distribution? A, it is a symmetrical distribution. Yes, it is symmetrical distribution. B, it is a bell-shaped distribution. Yes, it is also correct. C, the mean, median and mode are equal. Mean, median and mode are equal in normal distribution. D, mean is always 0. It is incorrect. D is the correct option. Question number 15, considering the normal distribution, spread is increased and height of the curve is decreased for, I have discussed, when the variation is larger and the height is decreased, it means we have larger value of the standard deviation. A option is smaller value of variance, incorrect. B, larger value of variance, incorrect. C, smaller value of standard deviation, incorrect. D, larger value of the standard deviation, it is correct one. D option. Question number 16, a larger standard deviation for a normal distribution with an unchanged mean indicates that the distribution becomes A, narrower and more peaked. Wrong, it is incorrect. B, more skewed to the right, incorrect. C, a change in the standard deviation does not change the shape of the distribution, it is also incorrect. D, flatter and wider, it is the correct one. When the height is decreased and the variation is larger, standard deviation becomes larger, it means the normal curve is narrower and flatter one. It is the correct option, option number D.